Hi family. So the first thing we're going to do is get started with making our marinade sauce for our chicken thighs. So I'm going to start off with a half cup of pineapple juice. Now you can use a fresh pineapple, cut it up, use the juice from that, or you can use the canned pineapples as I chose to do just to make the process simpler. And you can use the sliced ones or you can use chunks, whatever your preference is. So now I'm adding half cup of the juice from that. Also, in here I have a quarter cup of brown sugar. Then in this cup I have a quarter cup of low sodium soy sauce. Now right here I have minced garlic. Always get them mixed up. I have minced garlic right here, and then I have grated ginger. I use like about 3 garlic cloves for this. So I'm going to now add that to the dish. Yes, I have my little handy whisk here, and we're just gonna whisk that, blend that together. You wanna make sure your sugar dissolves. So now I'm going to bring in my chicken thighs. So these thighs have already been cleaned, and I use a towel to dry them. So now I'm going to add this marinade in with my thighs. Okay. So now I'm going to allow this to sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. I want this chicken to really absorb the marinade and all the flavors, and you could do it anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours depending on what type of time you have. And if you have a sealable plastic bag, you can also use that, and to marinate your chicken. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to put a lid on it, as I said, and sit this in the refrigerator. And then in real time, like I said, I'll see y'all in 4 hours, but in YouTube time, I'll see y'all at the snap of a finger. So. Alright, G Squad, I am back, and so after marinating for a little over 4 hours, my chicken had the opportunity to absorb all these flavors. So now I'm going to remove them from the bowl and just shake away the excess juice. We're going to put them on this plate, and now we're going to season them. Okay, so here they are right here. So now I'm just going to season them with some salt. And this is a kosher salt that I'm using. No specific reason, only because this is what I have left in the house. Black pepper. And you can add whatever seasonings you prefer. I have some complete seasoning. And that's the oven ready. I have it preheated to 375 degrees. And these are going to bake anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165. Okay, add some paprika, and the paprika is mainly for color. So I'm just going to use my brush right here just to blend those ingredients in, the seasonings. And then I'm going to turn these over and season them on the other side as well. And so on the stove, I have a pan, an oven-safe pan, that I have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in. And let me turn this on to start the heating process for that, because we're going to sear this meat first before we pop it in the oven. So again, the same seasoning, salt, pepper. And paprika. Okay. So now I'm just waiting for this pan to heat up. I have it on a medium to high heat because, like I said, I want to sear them. So let me get you a little closer to the pan. So now I'm going to add my chicken, skin down first. And these are going to sear for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Okay, so now it's time to flip these over. So again, these are going to cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to remove our thighs. I'm just going to set them off in this plate for now. Alright, so now in the same pan, the marinade that we have for our chicken, we're going to now pour this in here. We're going to allow this to cook for a few minutes so it starts to thick, to get a little thickened. Okay, so now see it's starting to get a little thick. So now you remember those pineapples? We're gonna add a few of these in here now. You can add as many as you like. So I'll just go with 5. Let those go for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add our chicken back into the same pan. That juice back in there. So now I'm going to turn this off. And now this entire pan goes in the oven. And as I said, it can bake anywhere from 20-25 minutes. And we're going to halfway through take it out and then just baste it with this juice. Okay? So I'll see y'all when I'm ready to take this out of the oven during the halfway mark. Alright family, so it's been 10 minutes. I just removed them from the oven. This is what they're looking like so far. So now I'm just going to baste them. Okay. So I'm going to put them back in the oven and let them cook for an additional 10 minutes. So this is the what it's looking like so far. Okay, G Squad, I just removed the pan from the oven. So our pineapple glazed chicken thighs are done. And I'm just basting it one last time. But there you have it. So they cooked a total of, I have a gas stove, so it cooked for 20 minutes. And this is how they look. And so now if you want to garnish these, you can add some sesame seeds to it, whatever, fresh herb and spices that you may want to add. So I may just add a few sesame seeds to this. And then your sides, you can do like a nice green salad. You can do some steamed vegetables, mashed potatoes, whatever. You just, decide to pair with this. But yeah, but this is it, fam. Okay, so per usual, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Yeah, comment below, tag me if you decide to try this recipe. So until I see you all the next time with my next recipe, stay well, stay blessed, and Happy New Year to you and yours. Love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye. Okay, family, I figure I would just cut into one when I tell you this combination of sweet and savory. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Delicious. Mmm. Nice and tender. Woo! Mmm. Oh my goodness. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Get a piece of the pineapple. Mmm. This is two of my favorite combination, pineapple and chicken thighs. Family, enjoy this. Please try this recipe.